And resilience is a word that just flows off the tongue. But we have it in our ngākau and our manawa. We have the ngākau to help, we have the ngākau to support, but we also have the ngākau to survive. One of our earliest kōrero was ka mate kāinga tahi, ka ora kāinga rua. Ka mate kāinga rua, ka ora kāinga turi. Ka mate kāinga turi, ka ora kāinga whā. But me kimi hia ngā mea pai hei oranga te whānau.
O kia ora, ko tāne tomo ana ahau, no Waipatu marae, Ngāti Kahungunu ki here taunga.
Tēnā koe, hea te kaupapa tēnei hui tēnei rā.
Today, whānau, we are here to celebrate and commemorate 1 year on since Te Āwhanui, Cyclone Gabrielle. So we've come together as a marae to honour all our volunteers and our displaced whānau, and just get together and remember and awhi each other. I think what the cyclone has done has made us sort of be able to quantify disaster and how we respond to that, how we set an example for our tamariki, how we show them, because that's how we learnt. I don't think you get a chance to reflect at the time, but when a disaster hits, you're just thrown in and you don't have a handbook. All you have is what has happened in your marae growing up. What have you seen your pākeke, your kaumātua do to help the community? So I think that's the blueprint that I'm talking about, that is already there, that exists. The forming of relationships, like you say, is hugely important. Like a little shout out to the Kindness Collective Foundation in Tāmaki Makaurau, who came down here, and this is just one of their donations, $70,000 towards our kohanga rau furniture rebuild pūtea for all our kohanga rau that were hit by the cyclone. So to building those relationships, bringing our mokopuna into those kōrero, bringing our rangatahi into those kōrero, because they have value and they have contribution. So I think that's my message moving forward for marae hapu and iwi, and how we work with our tamariki and rangatahi to best prepare them for what's to come.
Well, here today was a chance for us to remember, but more so to celebrate ourselves for all those people who have been involved with the flood recovery work, which and of course Cyclone Gabrielle swept through Hawke's Bay this time a year ago, and it swept away people's livelihoods, homes. Also jobs and dreams, and for a small section of our community also took away people's lives as well. It's had a huge impact on our community, but also it brought out the best of ourselves in all sorts of ways. That we basically, a lot of us did things, acts of kindness that we would never have dreamed that we would do. So today was really a way of acknowledging and thanking all those people who have given.